Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So let's proceed to our purchase order entry system enhancement, which is actually the conversion from the sale order, as we have shown you in our previous videos, that we picked up we worked very hard in detail about the uh, sales order form, and we are now utilizing that work on, and we are using it uh, to convert as a template. We are using it as a template to convert it from sale order to purchase order. So we have thus far we have uh, been successful that it is able to pick any existing sale order. For example, uh, first of all, let's go to the detailed view, right? And we focus on an existing sale order like 14, right? So these are this, right? So the detailed view is quite well, okay? There is no issue in that. And now let's talk about the payment view. Well, this is absurd sort of a detail being written because we have brought it from the sale order. Now it is a bit disturbed, right? Okay, we will rectify it uh, so that it starts showing the right figures, right? So what is happening is actually there's no discount case in case of purchase order. We presume that the finalized price which the procurement department has finalized with the supplier. So that is our the standard cost and mm, uh, cost of the item, and that's the price we are going to report for the purchase order. And there is no mentioning of any discount here. So what it is doing is, I show you, and we rectify it in this error. Okay, so we close this form and see how we can reach quickly to rectify this issue. It's very easy. We close it. Now we go to we go to the in the purchase order detail, right? And we are focusing on the order number 14, yes. And this is, remember, this is quantity and this is unit cost. This is quantity, this is unit cost, okay? So D column is the column number 4 and E column is column number 5 and F column is column number 6. That is date received, nothing else. Okay. Okay. And there's nothing in here and related to the discount. Okay. Okay. So something uh, to be rectified. So to rectify it, figure out where we have to make the changes. So let's press F11 here and go to the purchase order and go to the initialize event. Okay, go to the top of this module and we are going to write, we are going to find net amount. Why? Because if we go to the purchase order and the thing which we are targeting is it is net amount, right? So this is being calculated and wrongly calculated, so we have to fix it, right? So let's get back to the code, yeah, and go back to the top of the form. And from here, we are going to write to find the net amount. So just type the initial things, what because we know that the contact, the the control name is net amount. You can write NOE U and T like this. Okay. So let's find next within this module. Make sure we don't use this. That's dangerous. We are going to remain within the current module, that is purchase order, so that we don't disturb the code of the sale order, etc. Okay. So let's find. So where is the sale order? So just write net amount, AM focus. Okay. So within this, we are searching net amount, and we have to make sure that we are inside the code, right? Okay. Net amount. Okay. Let's search it. So it takes you to a discount thing. It means that is the control, right? That is not for the moment related. So let's press find next, right? Yes, this is the place in which the order number is entered. Purchase order number is 14, and it is now picking that order detail from the purchase order details, item number, product name. This is the quantity. That is fourth column. You remember fourth column, and fifth column was the price. Okay, discount. For discount, it is taking the 6th, that is the date. Okay, so let's remove it. Force it to be always 0. Okay, for the moment, right? The rest is fine. The amount will be calculated, the total amount will be calculated, everything will be calculated properly, and that's it. This is all what you want to do in order to make sure that the price is calculated correctly. Okay? So the factor which was disturbing was the discount, which was actually using the numeric value of the date, actually, because we have brought this code from the sale order, and in the sale order case, that was right, but here we are going to force zeroize it so that the calculation is appropriate, is correctly done. Okay, so let's run it again. We go back to the Excel sheet, and we run the form again in the phase, and here we go to the same purchase order. What was the purchase order? Number 14 we were targeting. Here when we do, we focus only one thing, so all will be get corrected. We are focusing 14 number, okay, it's fine. So let's see the payment tab last. This is right. $632 was the total amount, and the net amount is 632. That's right. Okay, if you want to see, you can see this is $52, 165, 160. These are almost 300, 325, and this is 600. That makes sense, right? Okay, so you have corrected this miscalculation, and just because, and you have you found what was disturbing the calculation. The total discount was taking the numeric value of the date, okay, because on the 6th position and the column F, in sale order it was using discount, whereas in this purchase order detail sheet, at this position is the date received by the procurement. So this is mm, rectified, and now the calculation is okay for you. I hope you enjoyed it. and I look forward to your continued support to my channel. And please let me have any queries or any views, any opinion, any feedback. I would love to hear it from you and look forward to your continued support and participation and join us in our upcoming video. Thank you very much.